how to withdraw from BingX to ByBit. So to do this, simply just follow these steps. So first is navigate to your withdrawal. So log into your BingX account and go to the assets section and then select withdraw. Then go choose a cryptocurrency. So select a specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and then the blockchain network. Then get ByBit deposit address. So just go to your ByBit account, navigate to the assets and also then click the deposit button and then choose the same cryptocurrency and the network that you selected on the BingX and just copy the generated deposit address. And then enter the withdrawal details. So on BingX, paste the ByBit deposit address. So make sure you do this on BingX, paste the ByBit deposit address itself, not the other way around. And then into the address field, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind the minimum and maximum withdrawal limits. And then confirm and verify. So double check all the details, including the address and the amount and then submit your withdrawal. So once you verify the information, you can now submit the withdrawal request. So on Bybit, wait for the confirmation, check the deposit, and wait for it to load and it should appear on your Bybit account under the corresponding assets. So here's some important notes that you want to take on and that's how you can basically how you can withdraw from BingX to Bybit.